Hi, we're going to be removing the radio from my 97 Mercury Grand Marquis. We're going to be removing the radio using these radio removal tools. You just push them in until they clip and then you pull the whole thing out. I have already disconnected the wires in the back. There was just two connections here. Now this plug, the smaller one, runs all the way to the back where the actual head unit is. So for this car I had to buy a new wiring harness to run the speaker wires up to the front. This is the other connection that we will use. It has the ground power, constant power, and switch power. Alright, now they sell a harness. It's this one here. If you notice the crimp connector on there, I already ripped a wire out of it, so I pulled the remote pin out. You can pop that little orange thing out, and the remote pin was over here, and I just took it and used it for the one that I broke. Over here we have the stereo amplifier module, or whatever you want to call that. We're going to unplug this big plug here. And then this here plugs right into that one. So that's what we're left with. And we'll come back inside. And we'll shut the door because it's cold. This is the other end of the new harness with the antenna that we're not going to be using, so it can just stay there. And here are the speaker wires. Now, I already tested this, so I know it works, so I'm going to go ahead and install this onto this panel. All this is a piece of plexiglass. I already lost one of the nuts, so I'm using this little piece of plastic as a nut for, or spacer. So we're going to take this board here, and we're going to mount it right on here into these holes. From the other side, we'll take these nuts, maybe, and give those a tighten. And we'll put one on each post so it doesn't rattle loose while we're driving. And we're just going to tighten those up with pliers because they don't have to be very tight. We don't want to crack the board, so we just want to make them a little snug. So here it is, all put together. We're going to tuck the antenna wire back in here and stuff these wires down into this hole, and just simply pop that in place. We'll go ahead and give it a listen so you can hear it. We'll turn the key back to accessory. It's a little loud at startup, but not too bad. Then we'll go ahead and connect it to the phone. It's connected. And we'll play some music. So there you have it. It sounds pretty good. If you're interested in buying one of these Bluetooth modules, the part number is TDA7492P. You can get them on eBay. It's a Bluetooth 4.0 50 watt by 50 watt. And the wiring harness that I used is part number 70-5601. It comes with some generic installation instructions. It's pretty simple to do, but here's the instructions. So there you have it. I think it sounds pretty good. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll be doing lots more videos here in the future. We have a 77 Mercury Marquis that we're restoring in the garage here, and we'll take a look at that within the next couple days. And thanks for watching.